Hi, here we are again, the backyard garden. And this is our planter that has cucumbers on a trellis. And I put garden string so that it grows up. And we have our peppers. Now the peppers, what I like to do is deadhead them when they start to have their first blossoms, and it makes the plant a lot bushier. You'll end up doubling your yield. And you'll see here also, within the peppers, once they start growing, after about a month or so, I'll plant lettuce in between them. The lettuce grows well with the peppers because the peppers basically shade the lettuce while they're growing, which is kind of nice. Now also we have the end of our carrots. Want to get some carrots, Bo? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. So we're gonna get some carrots here. See what we got in here. Oh, look at that. Is that a couple big ones? Mm-hmm. All right. You like carrots? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Are you? Ooh, that one broke off. Okay, so that's our carrots. And then when the carrots are picked, here's some more. Oh, look at that. You want to eat those for dinner tonight? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Are you enjoying your popsicle? Okay, good. So when I know that my carrots are going to be harvested, by the month before harvesting, like this plant here, these are my eggplant. And so I'll get a 6-pack of eggplant and put them in pots so they'll be growing well ahead of me being able to put them into the ground when the carrots are ready. So I'm gonna put these where the carrots are at. These are already established eggplants. They'll be probably having buds on them here just in a couple of weeks. So we've got eggplants, we got our nice peppers that we deadheaded so they're bushier. We got our companion lettuce in between them. And we have a tomato plant and our cucumbers. You ready to make a salad pretty soon? Bo? Okay, good. Okay, you guys, welcome to our garden. Take care. Be safe.